from Christine's Pastries and Cakes. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to make some super yummy buttermilk rusks. They're really simple to make. The recipe is quite big, so you can divide it in half if you prefer, or you can just give them away to friends, family, neighbors, etc. Right, let's get started. We start off with 1.4 kgs of cake flour, 325 grams of sugar, 5 mils of baking powder, 5 mils of salt, 5 mils of cream of tartar, and 2.5 mils of baking soda. These are all your dry ingredients. Then for your wet ingredients, we have 2 eggs, which we are going to beat lightly. Make sure they're quite big. 500 mils of buttermilk. You can also use Amasi or Greek yogurt. And 500 grams of melted unsalted butter. Right, we're going to start off by mixing all our dry ingredients together. So we'll add the sugar to the flour, the bicarb, the salt, cream of tartar, and the baking soda, and then we'll mix just to combine. Right, then we are going to lightly beat the egg and add it to the dry ingredients. We're then going to add our buttermilk, and lastly the butter. See, that was really simple. And then we're just going to mix that until everything comes together. Right, once it's come together, you then have to use your hands and really just get into that and actually bring it together by kneading it until your dough is nice and smooth and pliable. Right, once your dough has been mixed and it's nice and soft and pliable, this is basically what you are looking for. You can start forming it into little 30-gram balls and place them into a baking loaf. So I'll show you a couple, and you need to fill in as many as you can. I normally use about 4 of these containers to cook my rusks in. I heat my oven up to 180, and I will cook them on 180 for 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out nice and dry. I'm going to form a little ball and place them 3 at a time next to each other in your baking loaf. Right, I'm going to quickly get this done. Right guys, so here I've finished making the little balls. I've made them 35 grams each, but you can do whatever works for you. Right, my oven, as I said before, has been heating on 180 degrees. I'm going to pop them in for 45 minutes and or until at least a skewer comes out dry, and then I'll get back to you. Right guys, the rusks have now been cooked or baked, should I say, for 45 minutes. You can see they've got a nice golden color. I'm just going to tip them over onto a tray, and I'm going to start separating them. Obviously they're still pretty wet, so I'm going to just lay them onto a baking sheet, baking tray, whatever you have at home. I'm going to turn my oven down to 100, and I'm going to Dry them out for 6 to 8 hours. Right guys, see, that was really super easy. I hope you guys enjoy them. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe.